This is a lie. Nobody says that meningitis is one of the safest one. I've read about it. It's been a long time ago. This is not compared with coronavirus, which they had coronavirus and in the same year they came up with a vaccine. No, this has been for a long time. Like tetanus, all of these have to take them. And meningitis, because it's very easy to have a breakout of meningitis. I thought you were going to ask me about, is it allowed to have a fake certificate? No, you're not allowed. No.
It's related to people who basically create a fake certificate for these.
I answered haram. I've just said you're not allowed to take fake certificates. How about if you're just going to jeopardize the whole of Saudi Arabia because not just you thinking about this. There are thousands of people thinking the same. There are thousands of people thinking the same. So if you just say, it's only me, if it's a necessity, something else, like this person, he's got allergy or something, can't take it, then you could take from I can't take this vaccine. You could take it, because you asked me today, have you got allergy, something, because if they will write you paper that you can't take it. Exemption. This is a king, Ikhwani, khalas, questions. This is a king, Ikhwani, story he wanted to see who loves him. He is confident, the ones who are close to him, he said to him, let's ask them to each one to put a honey jar if he loves you. A honey jar. The honey at that time is very expensive. So he set up the table in the middle of the city, and each one during the night, he comes on his own, nobody can see him, there's no CCTV camera. He puts the jar, of his honey to see how many of his people that he's ruling. There are 1,000 people. Let's say there are 1,000 people. So how many jars of honey, he will count how many people loves him. It says the story that one person talking to his wife. One person talking to his wife. So, we love the king, but the honey is too expensive. We just, why should we just put a jar of water? We put a jar of water because we can't afford it. All we could afford was too much. So he put the jar of water on the table and he left. Following day in the morning, daylight, and the king's come to count. All of them water. Because each one thinks the same. So it's not just one person. Each one thinks the same about the fake and all of this. There is an exemption, there is necessity, but those necessity we limit them to, we will answer them individually, not to give it like to every person to go and start. Because it's very easy to fake certificates, Ikhwani.